Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on Factorising Trinomials Worksheet. So this video gives us a worksheet so that we can practice factorising trinomials. This is quite an advanced topic, so if you're not sure what to do, I have given a lesson on this topic, and if you really don't know how to approach this worksheet, go to the next slide and click on the link provided, and if you do that, it will take you to the lesson and it will explain how to do all of these examples. So let's see what's required. We'll just give you a few hints with these to see how we go. Factorise each of the following trinomials. We saw in the lesson that trinomials they are algebraic expressions with three terms: 1, 2, 3. Factorising means you have to express them, that is, those ones here, you express them in the form of multiplication. See here how you have addition? You have to change that to get some algebraic expressions that are multiplied together. That's what factorisation means. Now the clue we saw in the lesson was that you always look at the last number here, which is plus 8, and you find two numbers multiplied together to give you plus 8. That's important. Now the two numbers that you find must be added together to give you plus 6. Once you find those two numbers, that helps you to actually factor the trinomials, and it shows you how to do that in the lesson. This is the same, so I'll skip down to here because of the sign. Here we find two numbers multiplied together to give us minus 45, but when you add them together you get plus 4. It's very important. Here the minus sign is in a different position. We need two numbers multiplied together to give you plus 21, and when you add them together you get minus 10. And this type here, where you have two minuses, two numbers multiplied together to give you minus 27, and when you add them together you get minus 6. So once you find what those two numbers are, that helps you factorise each of those individual cases. Excuse me. The last 5 are exactly the same, but the hint I'll give you is you have to look at this first number here, and you have to let that help you find a HCF, that is a highest common factor. Take the highest common factor outside of the grouping symbols and you'll be left with trinomials where there's a 1 in front, and then you just do the same rules as what I talked about here. So this video has given us a worksheet where we can practice factorising trinomials, and I've gone through the basic idea of what we do. If you're still not sure, just click on the link on the next slide. It'll take you to the lesson and it will explain how to do all the examples.